Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the G1 Thin Client PC. What this basically is what you call a mini PC. This is a very tiny PC module. All you have to do is connect the monitors and the keyboards and every other peripheral, and you should be able to start working on it. The idea is that this consumes very less power. According to this, it saves 90% on electricity. It has low energy consumption. It has a smaller footprint, less heat, generates very less heat, and upgradation and e-waste reduction as well. There are save money in 3 ways. It's written over here: lowest cost, highest performance, low management cost, low hardware refresh rate, and some more manufacturing information on this side as well. The idea is to make sure that you conserve energy. So over here it's written save 90% electricity, 70% on maintenance, and 50% on computers, which is great. There's some specification over here as well. It has a built-in 1 GB RAM, a quad-core CPU, there is also a 8 GB eMCC storage device along with a 16 GB flash storage device, a 100 Mbps LAN connection, a built-in Wi-Fi module, Pentacore Mali 450 GPU. This is basically your graphic processing unit. And that's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a look at the client PC. Right, there you go. And right off the bat, this is what the PC looks like. There you can see. I will take out the other stuff in the box first. It's a power adapter, a power brick, some cables. Do we have anything else? So this is it. This is what you find inside the box. We have a power brick for this particular machine, this particular client. Yeah, there you go. There's a power brick. We also have a USB power connector for this particular power brick. That's number 2. And we also have this HDMI to HDMI connector right over here. I'm going to keep this over here as well. Now it's time to take a look at the client PC itself. There you go. It's really tiny and compact. You see it's not very thick either. Mostly it's has a matte black finish, but this particular strip is glossy and has a G1 logo right on it. Okay, it's over here. It's written G1 Thin Client PC. And this side there are some ports. So this is your power port, this is your HDMI port, the LAN port, and this is your basically the audio visual port should you need it. And yeah, that's more or less it. There are 4 anti-skid stops underneath, and that's all you find inside the box containing the G1 Thin Client PC. Thank you for watching.